Hey guys, starting the video from a little bit different of a spot. I'm here in my living room and today is my day off and you are very excited about it, aren't you, Goliath? Because that means time with Dad and potentially time for geocaching. If you watch the channel for any amount of time, you know that I am a souvenir hound. You know, souvenirs, those are those badges you earn for doing different things in the game of geocaching. And it is now the time, the window, where if you find a geocache, you get the summer solstice souvenir. So today, I'm gonna go out and do that. Goliath, would you like to come along and find a geocache with me? It looks like he's raring to go, but we can't just find any geocache. Get ready for Nerdville, because a resource that I use from time to time is Project GC. It's so many amazing stats on there. And one of the stats is a little special tab called What's Hot? As far as I know, these are newish caches that are getting a lot of attention because they're getting a lot of favorite points in a short amount of time. You ready? Come here, come here. Whoa. I almost dropped my Project ZC. You ready? Should we go? Should we go on an adventure? Let's do it. Let's go find a bunny. No, no bunnies. I was just messing with you. Sorry. We have now arrived at Goliath's happy place. This is in fact at a park and he's walking over there because I'm sure he wants to pee on something because he's like, I own it. I own this whole place. I own this whole park. I'm excited to get another souvenir. I'm not sure which number it is. It's gonna be 350 something, but the birds are chirping. It's a beautiful summer day. Oh my gosh. Listen to that bird. Do you hear that bird? What kind of bird is that? I've never heard that song before. Here at Ground Zero, and as I look around here, oh my gosh. This is one of those with lots of places to look and lots of places to hide something. I'm not seeing anything initially. I got my trusty dog here. Maybe he'll help me sniff it out. You find anything? Sniff it. Do you have any ideas? Any hints? Help me, help me. He's actually looking a lot more than I am. According to the GPS, I am still 32 feet away. The geocache did say something about lying around, so maybe it's in one of these fake pieces of wood? I don't know. Oh, Goliath. Goliath, I think I spotted something. Look. What's that? What's that? Yes! Fake little log. Good job, boy. There it is. I haven't found one quite like this for a while. It's really well done. Look at the bottom of it. That's interesting. It's flat, so it lays flat on the ground. Flat on the ground, that's it. That's the geocache. Don't be scared. That's it. It's like he knows it's not real. I decided to bring the geocache out here to sign where it is a little bit more open, but look at that. Flat bottom. This is well crafted. Somebody did a great job with this, so kudos to the owner. I can see why this geocache is hot. Ooh, it's burning up. GCV, found it. And this geocache is perfect for my path tag, so I'll drop my path tag. There is the path tag art directly from my geocaching comic book. Did you know that I had a geocaching comic book? It's in the description. If you go to geocachingcomic.com, you can get yourself a copy. It's really fun. It's for age 1 to 101. If I lay it on top and I just screw it on, perfect. I believe this is 3D printed, which is really neat. Made of plastic, 3D printed, little log. Evil, could be evil if you put a bunch of sticks over it. All right, time to say goodbye. Come here. Thanks so much for coming along. Click on some of these other videos and it'll take you to another adventure and I'll see you next time. Bye. I gotta put this back. Of course I'm gonna put it back.